girl, I'm Sonia and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna be doing another gift giving, gift guide, gift idea for her beauty haul from Sephora. I'm gonna tag a bunch of other beauty sets that I did not get, just in case you guys wanted to check them out as well. A lot of people are doing their holiday shopping early and I am one of them because I just wanna get it over with, girl. I wanted to get it over with and not have to stress about it. Hopefully you guys can get your hands on some of the products that are in today's video. And if you have any requests of other stores, department stores, beauty brands, or kits, advent calendars that you want me to open, let me know in the comments down below and I'll make sure to try my best to get to those this holiday season. And without further ado, I'm gonna shut the hell up now. Let's get into it. I have tons of beauty sets that I found online. These are available in store as well, but I like shopping online. It's easier and a lot more items are in stock. So this one's $45, we have a $69 and $64, and this one is $95. These are kind of like the advent calendars. Like I can't help but to open them up and show you what's inside. From Sephora Favorites, and this is a perfume sampler. It's $95 and its retail value is $180 because they get to discover all these other brands and scents and they can figure out which one they like and then get the full size bottle at no extra cost. It's all included in the price of the gift. So this is actually a really good one. And it comes in this really cute bag too. This is the Sephora Favorites Cozy and Clean Beauty Must-Haves. One of the exciting things that I saw is that we have a couple of full-size products here and it's only $64. Like, Sephora, girl, how are you making money? Okay, let's open her up because I want to see. This is a baby blue little fuzzy bag. What the hell? Stunning. This is huge. How is this not full size? What the heck? This is Glowy Super Gel. I don't think I have anything from Merit as well because it's so stinking expensive, but I am so excited now. I'm like, okay. Summer Fridays mask, a primer, lip liner, full-size lip product from Kosas. Unreal. There's just so much to go through, but I just wanted to give you a little peek at that one. That one's $64. I want to say that's valued at more than that. Next up is the Sephora Favorites Glitz and Glam. This is $45 and the value is $115. This one is a fuzzy green bag. Here's a peek at some of the products. We got a beauty blender, Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. This is a lipstick from Merit, and it's a wearable shade. A little lip gloss from Armani Beauty. Eyeshadow pencil from Laura Mercier. Here's one of those cloud paints from Glossier. These are unbelievable. And then the last set I'm gonna show you guys, this one's a heavy one. This is hefty. $69 at $189 value. I'm gonna say that this one's gonna sell out the fastest for sure. I just wanna know how they're making their money. Like, how are they making money off this? Like, this is a good size of Sol de Janeiro. This is a Daily Rescue Facial Spray from Tower 28. Full-size blush from Makeup by Mario. House Beauty, or House Labs. This tiny little highlighter from Rare Beauty. Honestly, it's so powerful you don't need very much. A lip gloss from Fenty Beauty. This is one of the most popular product from Milk. This is their Hydro Grip Primer. I know this is tiny, but you honestly don't need very much. I feel like you can get a few applications out of this tiny little bottle. This is from Olaplex. I'm about to drag my tree out of the garage and put it up right now. This is from Josie Marin. I bought it for $36 and the value is $48. These are all whipped argan oil body butters and I believe that this is what she's famous for. Comes in this little milky travel case like this. It says Josie Marin on the top, the little red zipper. These are travel size, but there's so much product in these containers. I'm shocked. Next up is from Laneige. I got two of them because I've got two nieces that would absolutely freak out. Now, I got these for $36 and it comes with a little pouch, which is super cute. It also has a full size of the Bouncy and Firm Eye Sleeping Mask. And then you have two smaller products, which is a sleeping mask and the other is a lip treatment. This is a brand called Sol Wasu, and just right off the bat, when I first received these in PR, like over a year ago, I had no idea the power that comes into these bottles. The packaging for me doesn't reflect the fact that it is a luxe product, okay? It's $58 with a $78 value. It's a gentle cleansing oil, cleansing foam mousse, first care activating serum, and then cream. For the girls who get excited about Sol Wasu, you know they have good skin. And if they don't, they're on their way because this stuff is like magic. Okay, this is a product that was sold out a million times. It's from Summer Fridays, and I actually had to find it on like a couple of different websites. Like, what the hell? Because it keeps selling out. These were $25. And you have vanilla, vanilla beige, iced coffee, and brown sugar. Super excited because I haven't tried anything from this brand, so I guess I'm ready. I did want to try a new foundation that I've been seeing all over TikTok, and this is from Patrick Ta. I got it in the shade number 10 Neutral. And I'm hoping that it's my shade. It's not too pink or not too yellow. So we'll have to give this a try. I'll let you guys know in a different video, but if you guys have tried it, please let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. With my points, I was able to score a couple of these samples. Mascara from Lancome. We have a product from Solwasu, Anastasia Beverly Hills, and a lip buff from Refi. I've been doing this for years, and if I'm excited opening these, you and your loved ones are gonna be as well. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like videos like this and want me to make more of them. I've also provided a list of everything that you've seen in today's video down in the description box below, as well as tagging all the products here on YouTube Shopping because you can shop directly on YouTube. It's a new thing and I think it's awesome. So make sure you guys check out the carousel as well. And until next time, take care and I'll see you soon. Bye!